This 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25 BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, spare tire kit, Colorado Detector, slide-out, smoke detector, self-contained, oven, external shower, LP detector, air conditioning, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25 BHE is 6,396 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.